Okay, so now I'm going to do a quick video on how to strum and strumming exercises for the Saz. If you've seen some of my other videos, I've already shown ways of tuning, and really tuning is not so important at this point because we're really just exercising our strumming hand, in most cases our right hand. First, let's look at the pick, our plectrum. They're also called, they're not the same as a guitar pick. They look totally different shape. They're made more of like a soft, kind of almost like a rubber material. Like guitar picks, they come in different gauges. Measured in millimeters, and it has a totally different sound. You can use a guitar pick. The only problem is it's going to be very kind of clicky. So, and it's very easy to hit the body since the strings are so close. So you're going to get a lot of clicks from that. So it'll work. It's just going to change the sound a lot. Whereas this softer material of the traditional plectrum for it, it's going to be a lot more of a warmer sound, I guess you could say. All right, so first holding it, you're not going to grip it like a guitar pick either. It's traditionally you're going to hold it like, let's see if I can do it, like kind of between the thumb and the first finger, and I'm actually like bending it in an arch like this between the thumb and the finger. Hold it straight. I'm bending it kind of like that. So it's facing, from my thumb, it's facing up just a little bit, sticking out like that. And to hold the Saz, I've always struggled with this. It never feels comfortable. The part of the curved part here is kind of resting against the side of your stomach on your right leg, and that, I guess, is the proper way to hold it. When I'm playing, I tend to start moving it more and more over like a guitar. As long as it feels stable for me, it's fine. So I don't really hold it the exactly a traditional way. Just the angle of our wrist should be very comfortable over the string, so arms relax. We're not doing any funky angles. So we're going to be able to pluck downwards and upwards, just like a guitar. So what I'd recommend at first is practicing the combinations of down and up. I'll take my first course of strings, the bottom three strings, those grouped together, and I mean, for this, I'm tuned. What am I tuned to? C sharp, F sharp, B. C sharp, F sharp, B. Doesn't matter what you're tuned to because we're just exercising our right hand. And I'll try something at first, like at first, maybe even just try down picking with a rhythm. So I'm counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, I'm not trying to move my whole arm or my elbow. I'm trying to just turn my wrist. And another good hint is try not to stare at your right hand. Use your ears. If you hear you're hitting more strings, try to just fine tune your movement. Because your muscular memory is going to be able to remember where those strings are and find them. If you don't test your muscular memory, if you're looking, it slows it down. Just like someone learning how to type. If they're looking at the keyboard, they never really remember the keyboard and learn how to type. You'll try that on all the strings. That's my second course and the top course, etc. Then we'll try combinations of down and up. So we can try just strictly alternating, where I'm going down, up. Which it's a lot trickier than a guitar pick. It takes a lot more getting used to. Then I'm going to try a combination of downs and ups. For example, we'll take 2 quarter notes and 4 eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're strumming downwards. The ands we pluck up. So it's like down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Yeah. And like I said, try that on your other courses of strings, the three different courses. You can even hold a chord if you want, or if you're open tuned. Strumming chords and all the strings is not so difficult. It's really what you, at first, you really want to try to get used to is just strumming a course of strings at one time. And any kind of rhythmic value you put into it. As a rule of thumb, I can just say like my on beat, the 1, 2, 3, and 4, I'm strumming downwards. Off beat, like the ands, I'll strum upwards. And I can try. And you see, I have this tendency to want to start holding it more and more like a guitar, where the more like this I hold it, the angle is going to be better for the plectrum to strum. So that's it for beginner strumming lessons on this. I've got to actually get ready for band practice in a few minutes, so that's going to be it probably for today, and I'll be putting more of these up very, very soon. Meanwhile, if these videos are helpful and you want to support me in any way, I've also opened up the Patreon page, and it's the same name there, Guitar 101 Rammstein. I'll put the link below in the description, so anyone who can help with that, that's great. It'll just help me find more time to do more videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.